Hello, this is Fire Master Lucky 5 here with an unboxing of another tablet, number 4 I believe. This is an Ematic 8-inch quad-core tablet with Android 7.1, which is Nougat. I'm actually filming this with the other tablet, the Voyager 2 tablet. That's about 2 years, but part of the screen's not working. It's moisture. Now let's see if it gets open. Yep, I use Site to Store, ordered it Monday, and they paid it in person at store. There's that option. And it's expected later, but it actually came in Friday. Well, let's check it. It called me. And there it is, a bit up and down. Okay, I guess where I can read it. Google Play, very important. Where place more plastic. Options available. And it's got twice the amount of data. It's optimal for storing apps. I think I can also default app storage to an expandable micro SD card in case I don't have enough room, which actually ended up happening with other tablet, and that was the option. 1 GB RAM should be enough to run. Other information, it's quite core information. Video player. There's a micro SD card slot, which I mentioned. It's slightly bigger than the current one I have. And as I said, I found this on Walmart.com. The reviews for it were good. You should always check the reviews, just in case. Check the plastic. And the shipping, since it's picked up or set to store, it is free pickup as well. So this is a new brand to me. Let's see. It is reliable. I guess figure out where to open the box. That's a lot. One hand here. Okay. As you can see, flaps. Maybe the other side. Switching hands will help. Okay. I don't want to break the box, so I use these to reseal it. I'm thinking it's a flip top. Let me open the front. And I see a sticker or some tape. The Invisible Menace. What a time to wait to come in else. No. This went all the way at 1.21 gigahertz. There, and I figured it out. This tablet, so it's slightly bigger than the current tablet. That one's close. And there's more than just padding. So let's see what's, oh, that flips over. It comes with a charger. It's a USB plug-in. So there's the USB cord, USB to micro USB plug in the tablet, and yeah, plug it into the charger. We can disconnect that from the charger and plug it right into the computer for direct. And this is a quick start guide. These things are pesky. Type of everything is. Speakers. Basic functions. I'm not sure what the screenshot function is. That's a function I liked on the other tablet. I could probably figure that out. Oh, and how to use it with computers. There's actually a way to use it with Mac. And I added a program, Android file transfer, basically. User manual. Continue to run. Take a screenshot on page 10. Okay. So there is an option. It's probably a button combination. Big apps, Google Apps, Gmail, YouTube, and Google Apps itself. Okay. And I gotta remove take a screenshot. Make sure the image you want is displayed on the screen. Press the screenshot icon on the status bar to take a screenshot. I guess it's a box within borders. You also display a high screenshot button in the status bar. So it's something I can add. It's not never default, but I go to settings and add. And look at that. Warranty. Awesome. So, now that I looked at that, show. Ironically, okay, and it's labeled the buttons right there. So there's a power button. If this doesn't come pre-charged, oh, it doesn't matter. Just plug it in anyway. And there's that logo. Oh look, double flashing. That's one bag open. For sure, let's go. Can you go? It's got landscape. Come on, landscape, not portrait. Let's go. It's a me. From iPhone or Android device or cloud. Here. So this is option to transfer data, I guess. Now the device I would transfer is what I'm actually using right now. But I'm not sure that's we're gonna have to log into my Google account and transfer any account data. I'm hoping that works. Like, okay. Have that against my torso. If I could just find that damn. Okay. There's that. Not as easy as my pinky and index finger. I could have sworn it that way. USBs don't exactly cooperate. Yeah. Oh, there's a camera icon right there. I'll just knock that with a moving pen. Yep. That thing. What does that do? Sir, copy or share data like photos. Connect to a network. Connect to the router I have. Okay, gotta go password in. Alright. Connect. This may take a minute or two. Check it for updates. I wonder if it makes a difference in fact that the device is in use. And if it interrupts anything, looks like the recording is still going actually. I'm glad I looked at this guide, but I can see the self-explanatory icons there. And looking at that icon or status, the tab did come. There's an inner camera you can see over there. I'm not sure there's an outer camera. You usually have cameras as default. Oh, and it rotated to portrait again. Keeping landscape. This way, updates. Quick start guide. There's a reset button actually. That's not something I would want to do. It was annoying enough, or it's always annoying enough to set these things up. Oh, that sound effect shows that the speaker's working. You get a free wall charger USB. Well, that came with the device. Take a screenshot of the review. Send the file and feedback to Ematic. Oh, look at that. My receipt, shipping address. Only it's US. Sorry. I guess it's if I need a spare. Actually, that would not probably help because the original tablet broke, so I had to use one of those USB wall charger and the USB cable, which broke, so I had to get another USB cable. And then the screen part of the screen is not responsive. It's unresponsive. minute or two. Okay, there it is. Bring your data from a backup from an Android phone. Use your old phone to copy data wirelessly. A backup from cloud. Username, password. I wonder. Maybe she just gone with the other one. Probably not gonna work that well. Checking info. On your other device, open the Google app. That's basically it. Get a dot icon, and they can get to the settings from there. The circle to read home, the back button. But this part where I set up the transfer or attempt to. So that's where we're gonna cut this video. Thanks for watching. This unboxing of my Ematic tablet.